Today, let's delve into the fascinating world of the Mistral portable anti-aircraft missile system. This cutting-edge technology is engineered to engage enemy helicopters and aircraft, boasting a maximum engagement altitude of 3,000 meters. Mistral is a short-range, portable anti-aircraft missile system meticulously crafted for taking down low-flying enemy helicopters and aircraft. Developed and proudly manufactured in France by MBDA, Mistral is a game-changer in military technology. It features a lightweight launch unit that a single soldier can operate, and it can be deployed from armored vehicles, ships, and helicopters. The Mistral MANPADS, Man-Portable Air Defense System, comprises a missile in a launch container, an optical sight, a friend or foe identifier, an infrared sight, and a mount, all of which can be efficiently carried by just 2 soldiers. Now, let's talk about the star of the show, the Mistral missile. It's a fire-and-forget type weapon armed with a highly advanced infrared guidance system, becoming fully autonomous after launch. This lightweight and incredibly accurate missile can reach a maximum altitude of 3,000 meters and a top speed of 800 meters per second. The self-guiding head uses a matrix multiplier to achieve high sensitivity, detecting infrared emissions in the 3-5 micron range. But that's not all. The Mistral missile is equipped with a 3 kg fragmentation warhead containing high-density tungsten balls, enhancing its destructive capability. It features a laser-based contactless detonation mechanism to reduce the likelihood of premature detonation, and a gyroscope-based navigation system to navigate smoothly and avoid glare. The rocket propulsion system is equally impressive, with booster and sustainer engines working in harmony. After exiting the container, the carrier rocket gives the missile an initial velocity of 40 meters per second. Subsequently, the sustainer engine kicks in, propelling the missile to its maximum speed.